On May 31, 2022, the launching ceremony of Longgang Street Urban Housekeeper Project in Longgang District, Shenzhen and the Street Leader System Intelligent Urban Management was grandly held. The successful entry of the project further enhanced the market influence and comprehensive competitiveness of Beicong City Services and enabled the business development of the group to open an acceleration mode as a winning vehicle. The pure electric washing and sweeping vehicle was also displayed at the event site. This pure electric washing and sweeping vehicle broke the traditional sweeping mode, turning dry sweeping into washing and sweeping. It uses a form of coordinated operation of sweeping and high-pressure cleaning suction cups to clean the road. Washing, sweeping and suction are integrated to avoid the secondary dust problem of traditional road cleaning. Its compact body has good trafficability. It has a good cleaning effect on sidewalks and auxiliary roads at the same time. The mechanical extension arm is used to make the extension pipe easily cross the obstacles, such as vehicles parked on the roadside, and reach the inner side of the road, so that the sanitation workers can easily clean the cracks, curbstones and sidewalk tiles on the inner side of the road with a handheld high-pressure water gun. The original heart is like a rock. And the practice is far-reaching. BE projects will continue to provide professional and high-quality services for Longgang Street and jointly create a better future with Longgang Street.